Hi guys, today I want to show you my first 111mm Victorinox. I went with the Trailmaster Camouflage, reference number 0.8463 MW94. This is the reference number if you want to look it up. And the knife looks something like this. So as I said before, this particular one has camouflage scales, or camo scales as is better known for, and this is the One-Hand Trailmaster, also known as One-Hand Trekker. So as for the tools that it features, it has a lockable blade which is partially serrated. It has a sheep's foot shape, and obviously it has a hole. It can be opened one-handedly. It's also a lockable blade. This is the liner lock right here. It says press. It's a reversed liner lock, so you will actually have to close the knife with two hands. You have to press the lock and fold in the blade. The blade also has a it has a kind of half stop. It's not very noticeable, but this will help with closing the blade safely. Once you press the liner lock and you fold the blade, it doesn't snap close until you actually fold it almost completely. So moving on to the opening layer, it has a can opener, which is the regular can opener from Victorinox, with a 3mm flat screwdriver. It has a oversized cap lifter with a stripping notch, and also it locks in the 90-degree position, and it also fully locks when it's fully opened. This doubles as a very useful pry bar, and it's locked in place by the same liner lock as the main blade, and it's also reversed. So you can see here it says press as with the main blade, so you'll have to close it with both hands as well. So press down on the liner lock and fold in the cap lifter. What else? It also has a more than capable saw, which is a large one compared to the one found on the camper or on the Huntsman, and it also performs very well. So as with all the 111mm knives, the blade, it's actually centered between the tools, or at least for the 3-layered versions. The main blade will be placed in the middle, so it can be operated with both hands. So this thing may actually be more useful if you are left-handed. In this case, you will be able to actually fold a knife with the same hand. On the back side it has a very generous Phillips screwdriver and the well-known Victorinox awl. For this particular model, or for the 111mm models, it comes without the sewing eye. And last but not least, the tweezers and the well-known toothpick, and of course the keyring. So this knife has another variation. It's called Victorinox Forester, and the difference is that the Forester has a corkscrew instead of this Phillips screwdriver, and also the blade, it has a plain edge. The Forester also has another variation. It comes with grip scales, and those grip scales don't have the scale tools. I think that one it's called Forester M Grip, if I'm not mistaken, and I believe it's already discontinued. And all in all, it's a beautiful knife. I will put this in my pocket and carry it for a few days to see if actually it's where I'm actually looking for. I like it very much, but we'll see how this goes over time. So this is the one-hand tracker or one-hand trailmaster from Victorinox. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.